Hi, this is Chef Roger from Atkins. I'm going to show you a new recipe for a Mediterranean zucchini noodle salad to use up some of that surplus zucchini you might have coming in for your garden or coming to get some locally grown right here at Atkins. So the dressing for the Mediterranean zucchini noodle salad is a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon dried parsley, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. For the salad, you're going to need 2 medium zucchini, spiralized. A countertop spiralizer is a great tool to have around the kitchen to spiralize any vegetable. Today we used it for zucchini, but you can also do carrots, turnip, parsnips, anything you want really, to make cold salads, or they're also great cooked with a sauce on top. 1/4 cup red onion, thinly sliced. 14-ounce can quartered artichoke hearts. 1/2 cup pitted Kalamata olives. 15-ounce can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1/2 cup of crumbled feta. 2 cups of baby spinach. And 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes. So make sure when you're dressing your salad you don't overdress it. It's always easiest to start with a little bit and add a little bit more. You don't want it to be soggy, but just lightly coated. For the Mediterranean zucchini salad, I would recommend a sweeter white wine. Maybe a Vouvray or a Riesling, or even a Sauvignon Blanc would be an excellent choice. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully, these recipes will inspire you to use some old favorites in new ways. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or at atkinsfarms.com for more recipes. Thanks again.